Hey Salam, I hope you guys doing well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making Nandos Peri Peri Chicken. Trust me, it's gonna be better than Nandos. I'm gonna serve it with spicy rice, olives and coleslaw. You're really gonna enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. We're gonna start with the chicken. I'm using a full chicken here. If you want, you can use legs, any other parts of the chicken. You want to turn the chicken so the breast side is down, and we're just gonna cut through here, alright? If you want, you can remove this backbone, but I'm just gonna cut it through. You might have to use a knife. So once you've done that, just open it up. And just like so, just push it down. Now you don't have to do this, you can just keep the chicken as it is, but this will just cook the chicken a bit faster. Season with a good touch of salt, touch of the black pepper. Now with the help of your hand, just massage that in. Try to go under the skin as well. Now leave the chicken in the fridge to dry brine for a few hours. It's gonna add more flavor. For the peri peri marinade, in with a small onion. And with the garlic, some of this fresh lemon zest. And a whole lemon without the skin. Now for the chilies, I'm using a bird's eye and serrano chili. Bird's eye is the key part of this marinade, so make sure to use it. Some of this tomato paste to add depth of flavor. Paprika powder, oregano, or you can use rosemary extract. Some of the sugar for sweetness and to balance out the heat. Good touch of salt, touch of citric acid, distilled vinegar, a light touch of water. Finish this off with a good touch of oil. Now you want to blend this until nice and smooth. Let's have a look. Just gonna have a little taste. Now this marinade is enough for 2 chickens. I'm gonna save some for later use. Now grab yourself a bowl, in with the chicken that has been brined. There's some of the marinade. I'm gonna use a glove, I really don't wanna burn myself. Give this a really good massage. You know, get the marinade all across the chicken. We're gonna use the marinade twice. Try to get some of the marinade under the chicken skin as well. Now if you want, you can let this marinate for an hour. Grab a grill, add a touch of oil. This is just to make sure nothing will stick to the grill. Using a kitchen towel, I'm just gonna spread that oil around. Make sure the heat is on medium high. Now when the pan is nice and hot, add the chicken breast side down. You want to grill it for 2 minutes on each side so we get those nice grilling marks, and we also searing it. Just make sure the whole chicken is touching the pan. Now slowly turn the chicken around. And those beautiful grilling marks, amazing. Give it another 2 minutes and then we're gonna remove it. Remove the chicken into the bowl. The rest of the marinade on there. And just give this a really good mix again. Like I said, we're gonna use the marinade twice. Grab a baking tray. Carefully remove the chicken onto there. Good touch of oil on the top to ensure we get a nice color. Now that's ready to go in the oven. Cook this in a preheated oven at 230 Celsius for 15 minutes. And then turn the temperature down to 210 Celsius and let it cook for an hour. It's gonna be amazing. For the rice, you want to thinly slice the onions. Finally chop some of this garlic. Also roughly chop some of the tomato and some of these mixed peppers. Let's get cooking. Turn up the heat to around medium high with a good touch of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, in with your onions. You want to soften them up and get a light brown color. Now in with your garlic. Touch of water. Again, you want to cook the rawness of that garlic. And with the tomatoes, you want to cover for a few minutes to soften up those tomatoes. And with the peppers, whole chilies, mix and saute slightly. And with the red chili, cumin, paprika, turmeric, a good touch of salt. Give this a really good mix. You want to toss those spices, cook the rawness of those spices. Touch of water to stop the spices from burning. Now in with the water. Give that a mix and bring this to simmer. Now when they start to simmer, you're gonna throw in your rice. These are basmati rice. They were soaked and cleaned. Give that a mix. Now you want to let this cook until there is some water left on the top. Now when there is some water left like so, turn the heat to low, add a clean kitchen cloth on the top, place your lid, and you want to let it steam on low heat for around 13 to 15 minutes. Let's check the chicken. Oh man, that looks so beautiful. Add some of those juices on the top so it stays nice and moist. Alright guys, let's check the rice. Bismillah. Just turn off the heat. Look at them. Beautiful. Just fluff them up a little. Finish off with some fresh chives and some fresh lemon juice. Apologies to Nandos. My sincere apologies, but these look much better. Alright guys, the chicken is done. And with the olives, finely chopped coriander and chives, touch of olive oil, a light touch of harissa, and a light touch of honey. Give it a mix. Mouth-watering olives, done. Alright guys, let's plate this up. Serving it with some of this coleslaw, our delicious rice, and our beautiful olives. Can we please get this video to 5,000 likes? Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. Looks mouth-watering. Let's try some of this rice first. Bismillah. So delicious. It has a bit of kick to it. Let's try some of this olives. They are a bit sweet, a bit tangy, a bit spicy. Alright, now the star of this dish, our beautiful peri peri chicken. Looks really good. Bismillah. So delicious. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, make sure like. Inshallah, I'll see you next time. Answer that salam. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy.